today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to take screenshots on your MacBook Neo. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is press Command, Shift, and then 3, and then release. And that's going to take a screenshot of the entire window that you're currently on. You're going to see a thumbnail, and then it's going to get saved on the desktop by default, as you can see. So these are previous screenshots I've taken. All the screenshots are going to go on the desktop. Now, you can also take a partial screenshot. So press Command, Shift. This time you want to press 4, and that's going to turn your mouse into little crosshairs. Now, what you need to do is press and hold on the trackpad and then draw with the other finger and draw over the area you want to capture with your screenshot. And then once you're happy, just release, and that's going to take a partial screenshot of the area you just selected. So those are the two ways of taking screenshots on your MacBook Neo. Thanks for watching and good luck.